Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to our day 3 of this short, fabulous 4-day week. I am here. We are going to wrap up our prefixes. This week we've talked about IN, and now we are going to take a look at our prefix IM. Both of them are so closely related. They both have that meaning of not or the lack of. We learned also yesterday that using these two prefixes, they are responsible for, when needed, changing our words into negative. Now, negative isn't always a bad thing, but sometimes we need to be able to express the meanings of the words, and we have to get that negative point across at times. Okay, so not a big deal. It's just something that we have to do. All right. So we're going to take a look at our last 4 words that have the prefix im. Still looking at the same meaning here, not or the lack of. All right, so keep that in your brain, put it in there really tight, store it up there. It is locked in and sealed, good to go. All right, so now another clue that I found that will help us out is, because you know what, the English language is a little tricky, but the more knowledge we have, what is it, guys? Let me hear you. Knowledge is what? Yes, fabulous. Knowledge is power. Amazing. So we use the prefix IM also most often with the words that start with M or P. Do you notice a pattern in these last 4 words that I have right here? Let's take a look at them. We have impossible, we have important, impracticable, and imperfect. If you're seeing the same pattern I am, give me a thumbs up. That's what I thought. You saw that I had already underlined our prefix IM, and then you noticed that all of these base words started with the letter P. So guess what? That rule applies here. So we use the prefix IM because these are possible, then important, practicable, and perfect. Very good. I knew you were with me today. So proud of you. All right, so now let's take a look at these new word meanings, because remember, we're not all about spelling, because also learning the meanings of our spelling words helps us to become more fluent readers, because we have to know when we get to a word that we don't know, knowing the meaning helps to build knowledge and vocabulary and clear understanding. You got it. Very good. Give yourself a pat on the back. I'm so proud of you. So let's take a look at our first word, impossible, meaning not possible. Makes complete sense. Look at our definition of our prefix, or it's not able to be done. All right. Now let's look at our next one, impracticable. That is a tricky word, okay? And it is not able to be carried out. It's impossible. It's not able to be done. Now this one, important, it doesn't have that not in there, but it is a meaning of great significance or value, and it does hold that prefix of IM. Okay, now I'm going to leave you, because we always do an I do it, and then you always help me out with our lessons and our decoding. So now I am going to leave you to the you do it, because we've been using my brain power, we've been using your brain power together, we've mixed our brain power, but now I want to see what you know. So in the comment box below, you are going to post for your teacher what you have created, your meaning of imperfect. You have your suffix "im," which means not or lack of, and then you have your base word perfect. So I know that you can take these two pieces, these two Lego parts, and I know you can put them together. You can click and lock, and you can create your own working definition. Post that for your teacher, and you have a great afternoon. Make sure you're studying for that test, and I will see you soon. Bye bye for now.